Welcome to a new video. This time around we want to check out how is it possible, how can we edit a video on a Huawei device without installing an additional video editing software on the Android that is running on the Huawei device. All we have to do is go into our gallery, choose a video, and when we are in a video we have the edit option here on the top, where we can just press on it, and this allows us to edit various things. So we have first of all the designs, where we can choose pre-configured designs, basically like one here for example, and it will play now in the background. Not sure if you can hear it. Anyway, it has like its custom sound, it has custom profile for the video itself, and you can choose in between different designs. Let's go maybe to cinematic. You can see it looks different, it has a different background music again, and we can choose this one here, cute, which has different colors again. We have flash, which looks like this. You can see it's also editing the video slightly, so you have different options here. But if you want to just cut the video, you can go into the cutting menu here. Here you have various different options. First of all, you can scrub through the timeline. Here you can see the timeline, and you can just simply go through the timeline while dragging this pointer to a place. And then of course you can just say, oh, I want to cut here, and yeah, then you have the video basically cut. You can also do it with the beginning if you'd like to. And of course you can drag the pointer somewhere to see what you were talking about. Then you have a framing option, where you can choose the frame. So if you want to have a 1:1 frame, it looks like this. Or if you want to have like a TikTok like or Instagram stories like frame, you can do this here as well if you want to do this. So you can change the framing as well. Sadly, you cannot do anything here like with pinch to zoom or somehow moving the frame around or something like this. This is sadly not possible. Let's go back. We have also the option for resolutions. We can change resolution. So if you record it, for example, in full HD, or in 4K, and you want to go down to full HD, you can do this here. As you can see here, I am recording this in UHD, I think, and I can go down to full HD if I want to, which gives me the approximation for the file size here as well, which is pretty nice if you want to down compress it for uploading on YouTube, for example, or sharing with friends and family. It makes a lot of sense. Next tab is music. So we have two options here. You can see here we have a little icon that says, okay, I want to use the video music or audio stream or audio track, and here you have the music icon. If I click on the music icon, it will switch to the music that I can choose from here. You can see there are various different musics that I have here: Happy Ending, Friends, Take Your Time, and I can download stuff. This is the warm section. I can go into sentimental section, and I have various different others, uplifting. So you can see the same categories as we saw here on the overall theming or a scene selection. And we can choose the sounds from there if you want to. And of course, if you go to My Music, you can choose from your music library as well if you want to change the music track. Then we have some options regarding the effects that you want to have. You can see you can apply effects pretty much directly to the video without any big issues. And yeah, you can see various different effects that I can apply, and I can also change the I think it is the way the effect is, yes, the way the effect is applied. You can say fully applied or only half applied. So I have also the option to change this here as well, like vintage, for example. I can say I want a bit muted colors but not totally muted colors. So I can do this here. I can change this the way that I want it to be, like slightly more contrast, contrast, and a bit more contrast is okay. so I can change it here the way I like it. Pretty nice, pretty interesting features. Some of those features you also get in free, but then with advertisement equipped editors as well. But I think it's pretty nice that you have those effects here as well. You can correct a video or style it the way you like it, or if you want to just create the automatic like style, you go in here and choose the automatic style. Another thing that I don't want to miss out, there's a title editor basically where you can have an intro title, where you can add a caption here, and you can see you have various different options here. Like I want to have a special color like blue, I can tap here on edit this and I can say test, hit OK, and you can see in this caption I can also, can I move it around? Apparently I'm not able to move it around, so it is automatically here. I can only edit this, and what I can do is simply edit. I cannot, I have to add a caption. I can choose the fonts. I have various different fonts here, and I can choose if it should be italic, bold, not bold, or outlined, and of course I can choose the color, and this is basically what I can do. And yeah, I can say yes, and then you can see it looks like this. So if you don't add a caption, it will not appear apparently. And you have various different ones here. I can go to this, it will look like this with a tea can, also nice. Teapot, tea can, yeah, tea, you know what I mean, tea glass. And yeah, various different animation effects for the title as well. This looks also pretty interesting, I think, dynamic. Yeah, and so you can just simply create your own title, and this doesn't work only for the intro title but also for the outro title. So if you want to have an outro title, see how it will look like this. And of course you have the option, do you have the option to edit this? Don't have the option to edit this. Interesting. It's a branding basically, where you can add the Huawei vlog branding. Yeah, and then when you're done with this and you're happy, you can just hit save, and it will save the changes, and as you can see it will start rendering out, and it will save the changes to your library, so you have the option to share the video if you'd like to. This is basically everything for this little video. I showed you how you can edit a video slightly on your Huawei device without adding or installing a video editor. I think the inbuilt gallery is for simple things, simple tasks, pretty handy, and I think the automatic one could be pretty handy if you have some videos from a vacation, to make it a little bit more interesting for viewers, your family, for example, that was not on this vacation, and you want to show them what happened on the vacation, to just automatically create different clips, add them together, and then put them together here. You can cut out things that you don't want to show, and so on. So pretty handy indeed. And discard the changes in this case, and we are back in here in the gallery app itself. This is everything for this little video. I hope you enjoyed it. You can like, subscribe, you can share this video, you can support me on Patreon. I have a Patreon page now as well. And yeah, this is everything for this video. Until the next time, bye.